Hi, welcome to CrossDL TV. Today I'll be showing another wonderful platform you can go and start doing petty task task. So I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform name invisibly.com. Invisibly.com. What is invisibly.com? This is also a top platform. You can go and start doing simple tasks. By doing those tasks, they are going to give you certain things. What is this task? Just to click website. That's a pass-through paywalls. Use your data to access premium content you love with no paywalls, no ad, and no subscription. That's how the platform looks like. You can see. Discover, earn, and access your feed your way. So with Invisibly, you have the control to unlock paywalls and access content ad free. You can earn points by answering questions, referring friends, and use the points you earn to access premium content. How it works here: download the app to use your data to unlock paywalls and access premium content ad free. You can see earn points by sharing your data, answering survey questions, referring friends, and more. Spend your points to access premium content you love, new content updated daily, and many more. So just download the app and start working for this platform. And instead of consuming your data doing what won't benefit you, you can come here and start doing this simple task by doing those tasks. Before the end of the month, 2 months, you should have good things to come with. Number two platform I'll be showing you is named what? Family Clicks. FamilyClicks.com. What is Family Clicks? As you earn money with your family. Our innovative features for members give them flexibility and more earning potential. Become our member and start earning today. This is how the platform looks like. So just click on Get Started if you are new. Then input your full name, date of birth, email address, confirm email address, username, password, confirm password, then indicate the captcha you agree to their terms and conditions. By doing that, you have access to the site. So that's it. Kindly notification bell and subscribe so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.